Today we focus on preparing the best tilapia recipe at home. When talking about tilapia, it's a type of fish. It's a term that used to refer to a type of fish that is a collection of more than 100 species. In short, the word tilapia is a generic term that refers to more than 100 species of chilled fish. In our case, we have this type of tilapia. In the preparation process, we start by slicing the muscle of it into smaller parts so that our spices can easily penetrate into it. It's a simple process that you can easily implement at home by following along. First, there are several reasons why we decided to prepare tilapia. When you hear about tilapia fish, there are several health benefits. Of course, we focus on health benefit when cooking. So, for our case, for this type of fish, it is high in quality protein that can support the growth of muscles and even help you in weight loss. Remember, when you increase your protein intake, will aid in losing weight because proteins tend to make you feel fuller for long, hence eat less. Tilapia also contains omega-3 fatty acids that are very helpful in managing cholesterol and lowering your blood pressure. It also reduces the risk of heart diseases. So it is a healthy ingredient you can incorporate in your diet. It's also rich in selenium. Selenium is helpful in the body because it acts as an antioxidant to reduce oxidative stress in the body. These are very healthy protein that will make your body stay healthy and avoid unnecessary complications. Okay, after cutting the fish, now we have to drop it into cooking oil. Here, we'll have to ensure the oil cooks the muscles so that they can become crispy for easy. In short, when they absorb the oil, they become crispy and they become more tastier. This step of inserting them in oil or cooking them in oil can be skipped, but for this recipe, let's put in oil because we want to get the best results. Other benefits of eating tilapia is the fact that it has low mercury levels. When eating fish, there are some types of fish, like the bigger fish in the ocean that contain high amounts of mercury. Mercury is known to cause different health complications, especially in the development of the brain of children. But with tilapia, especially this one that's found in the rivers and freshwater lakes, it has low levels of mercury, making it a healthy ingredient. Just allow it to cook in oil for like 2 minutes, 3 minutes, it will be okay. Another benefit that tilapia has is improving the bone health because it contains phosphorus, calcium, and magnesium, which are very essential in ensuring you develop strong bones. So these are healthy healthy food you can cook for your elderly. It also supports brain function, which is very helpful for children. Remember, children need the necessary ingredients to develop their brains. Okay, at this point, we have cooked it to a point where it is crispy now. You can actually consume the tilapia from this stage because it has already cooked and it is cooked. This is here we are looking at this cooked meat, but for the sake of our recipe, we will go further. Another ingredient we will have to use is the tomatoes. Tomatoes come with several health benefits. They are common ingredients in everyday cooking, but there are some health benefits you can enjoy out of them. For example, it promotes heart health because of the presence of lycopene, vitamin K, and potassium. It's also very helpful in cancer prevention. Remember, high levels of lycopene in tomatoes are associated with the low risk of prostate, lung, and even stomach cancer. Tomatoes are also helpful in skin and eye protection because of their rich in antioxidants. Other benefits include improved digestion and weight loss. Actually, you can lose weight by incorporating more tomatoes in your diets. Another health benefits you can enjoy from tomatoes is improved digestion, skin and eye protection, bone health. They also, because of the presence of calcium and vitamin K, tomatoes are known to improve bone health. Remember, tomatoes are also high in vitamin C, which is very necessary in improving your immune system, hence making your family enjoy healthy lifestyle. Apart from the supporting the immune system, onions also have they come with the restart taste. They will tend to add taste to our tilapia. Remember, we like to make our tilapia as tasty as possible. So chopping at least 3 onions will play a bigger role in making our tilapia tastier. Remember, after deep frying it, we like it to be, when you fry it, it becomes a bit crispy, but for this case, we like it to be tender. So onions will provide the necessary soup. Remember to chop them very small slices so that they can easily cook and release the ingredients. Another ingredient we have here is spring onions. We decided to go for spring onion leaves because we just picked them from our garden. There are also several health benefits you will enjoy from incorporating spring onion leaves in this recipe. For example, they are rich in vitamin C that will boost the immunity. They are also helpful in helping in iron absorption, hence enhancing the immune function in our family. Spring onion leaves also promote digestive health because they are high in fiber, skin and health, and anti-aging. If you like to stay younger, you have to incorporate them in the diet because they help in reducing the aging signs. Other benefits include supporting cardiovascular health, bone health, and weight management. They also regulate blood sugar, and improve bone health. Now we have the 2 ingredients ready. At this stage, we'll have to introduce the fish. So we decided just to have 2 ingredients: spring onion leaves and tomatoes. Remember, at this stage also, we can decide to eat the tilapia this way because with spring onion leaves and tomatoes can be eaten raw with the fish. But we decided to just deep fry the onions in oil, deep fry the onions and spring onions in oil, then introduce our tilapia. So at this stage, we just cook them at low heat so that they can absorb the ingredients slowly. You can see the soup is developing. We introduce a bit of water for the soup to just develop. Also, the tomatoes have the soup. Tomatoes have water. When they come into contact with the salt that we added, they tend to release the soup. The main aim here is to ensure the tilapia absorbs the soup so that it can be tender and easy for us to enjoy the full flavor and taste. Remember, our kids, we like to enjoy something that is soft, and this is why we will have to soak our fish in soup. This is a very simple ingredient, very simple recipe you can prepare at home because the only thing you need is tilapia. For our case, we had 3 tilapia. We also need tomatoes. We had 3 small tomatoes, but 2 bigger tomatoes can work. You also need onions. Not onions. We will also need, onions. You can decide to go for spring onions, white onions, or any type of onions you prefer. Remember, most onions contain the same health benefits. So whichever type of onions you use will work. Now, at this stage, we'll just ensure the tilapia absorbs the soup because we'll enjoy the full taste from the soup. Also remember, you can introduce different types of ingredients here. For example, herbs. But for our case, we did not go for the herbs, but you can introduce different types of herbs here to enjoy even the full flavor. Some people even introduce lemons, but we are just okay this way. You can introduce lemons here for if you don't like the taste. Some types of tilapia have unique taste, so Introducing onions can work. Introducing lemongrass or even rosemary can work. Okay, at this stage, I like to know where you are watching from, which city and which country. It's just let us know from the comment section, and next time we may give you a shout out. Also, please remember, subscribe to our channel and like the videos. That way you will be promoting our channel and it will reach more people. Please, we like to create a community where we will be sharing cooking tips from different types of the world. If you like, subscribe and share, you will be helping us a lot. It's free to do so, but you will have helped a lot. Okay, thank you. Also, there are several unique facts about tilapia. For example, in ancient Egypt, it was used to represent rebirth. Also, it is a mouth-breathing fish. It tends to carry its eggs in the mouth till they hatch. It's also very adaptable. It can be found in different types of waters. That's why it has several species. It also has unique breeding habitats where males create and defend the nests. It's a hardy nature and can survive in different types of waters. Also, one thing unique about tilapia, there are no genetic modifications. Even though there are some fish that are reared in fish pond and they grow very fast and they are known as tilapia, that people tend to fear worrying that they are genetically modified. But the fact is, tilapia is not genetically modified. They manage to raise it very fast by just picking the right breeds. At this time, we really appreciate for you watching out this far. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel next time, and also remember to watch our next video. Thank you for watching to this far. See you in the next video. Bye for now.